Hey guys, and welcome back to Will's Mountain Homestead. My name is Wendy for those of you who are new. And today I'm going to show you how to take a few simple ingredients from your garden, like potatoes and carrots, and turn them into a cheese sauce. So this is for those of you who have either been newly diagnosed with a food allergy, specifically to dairy, or if you're looking just to try something different with your garden produce. So let's jump right into this video and let me show you how to make a cheese sauce out of carrots and potatoes. A lot of these ingredients you probably already have in your spice cabinet, and I will put in the description below the actual recipe and the measurements for everything. But you're going to need chili powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, some turmeric, lemon juice, oil, and the one thing you may need to purchase is nutritional yeast. And if I can find it in my little rural area of Walmart, you can find it too. And if not, they do sell it on Amazon. You want to take a few of the Yukon Gold potatoes, probably 2 to 3 medium sized, and 1 whole carrot, chop it all up and get it boiling in a pot of water. You want this to cook until it is fork tender. Then take a slotted spoon and scoop all of those vegetables out into your blender. But don't drain this water because we're going to need a little bit of this. After adding your carrots and potatoes to your blender, add all of your spices plus your nutritional yeast. Squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lemon, 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil, or whichever oil you choose to use. And then you want 1 cup of the water that you cooked your carrots and potatoes in. And then blend that all together until it is nice and smooth. This cheese sauce will thicken as it cools, and it is perfect to make grilled cheese, macaroni and cheese, to top potatoes and broccoli, however you wish. But you want to store this in a container in the refrigerator, and it will keep up to a week. All right, you guys, and that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye.